Hey guys, I'm Nick. Really new, but I got inspired by someone to vlog, so here I am. I'm Nicholas Doan. I'm on my way to help my friend fix his truck. Okay guys, don't vlog and drive! No. Hey Jake. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent, I swear. Right, Tim?
I'm gonna say you did.
Oh, I didn't do it. I swear. Jake, what are you doing today?
Fuck off.
What happened?
I'm so close to being done. I just want to get it done. I can't find my ratchet. What size is this? 13 milliinch.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Alright.
This is an update. So close. Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah, can I have your consent to vlog you?
Absolutely not.
Oh, Jake, good luck. Bye, Tim. Sorry guys for the shortness of the video today, but I have crap to do. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm not paying. That's weird.